How to create first 1 crore in mutual fund. Friends, in this video I would like to discuss about how you can create a first 1 crore in mutual fund. The first one can be, if you invest 15,000 every month, if you get a 15 percentage of return, if you invest for next 15 years, you are going to create a corpus of 1 crore rupees. The second one can be, if you invest 10,000 rupees every month, if you invest for next 15 years, if you do the top up of 10 percentage every year, you are going to create a corpus of 1 crore rupees. Friends, now I am going to explain this with calculation. If you invest 15,000 per month, if you invest for next 15 years, if you get a 15 percentage of return, so after 15 year, your investment value will become 27 lakh, market value will become 1 crore rupees. Friends, next one can be SIP top up. Let's say that you are doing a SIP of 10,000 rupees and you are going to increase 10 percentage every year and you are going to invest for next 15 years. Let's say that if you get a 15 percentage of return, your total investment value will become 38 lakh, market value will become 1 crore 7 lakh rupees. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. If you require any help with regards to the mutual fund investment, please contact me in the below link. Thank you so much.